What is up, everybody? Dan the fireman here. Look it, I got new clothes. Super excited about this. This is the REAX Air Mesh, whatever. I don't even remember. There's gonna be an annotation up here. I was so excited just to get it. It's not just the jacket, it's the pants too. So I got the pants also. So this is a first impression. Literally, I just got it. I still got the instructions and stuff on here. So this is just gonna be a first impressions video. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to my patrons. You guys are my sponsors for all my videos now, unless I get a brand deal and stuff like that. But you guys are the ones making sure I can actually continue to do this. I've had my other gear for years. I've had my other jacket for at least 2 summers now. And my pants, they're starting to rip, and I've had that since like 2014, 2015. So it's about time to get some stuff. Plus, the armor inside the pants are probably starting to wear out its lifespan. I did a little motorcycle armor explained video on that a while back. So now I got new stuff, and this one comes with hip armor. So I'm super excited about the hip armor. I'm going to replace it right now because it's got that PVE foam stuff that's not really protection, it's just the padding. So I'm going to actually get real armor, but it's got armor in the knees. It comes with armor in the knees, and this jacket comes with armor in the elbows and shoulders. No chest armor. That's kind of what I was looking for, but I couldn't pass this up. It was a good deal. It looks great. It fits what I do, and it's right now. This is the first time ever riding with it. I got something in my mouth. First time riding with it. Good airflow. Good airflow. I took out the waterproofing, the water thingy thing, so I don't die and stuff like that in the heat. I took that off. But you can definitely carry that with you, especially in a little saddlebag like this. I'm getting a little too close to this car. I'm gonna go ahead and swing back just a little bit. And this jacket right here, I did the measurements on this is not gonna be like a structured first impression review type thing. But I followed the instructions on REVZILLA about how to measure for this, and I got like a size. Like, I thought that was a little large for me. I mean, this is a medium, and the medium says it fits. I compared it to my Fly Cool Pro 2 jacket, and this one was supposed to be like a little bit bigger as a medium, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it's not. Maybe I just need to break it in a little bit, but it feels a little tight around my latissimus dorsi, my lat muscles. So maybe I just need to lose weight. I don't know, I'm gonna probably lose some weight. All right, that's the goal. The pants, though, they fit great. I went up quite high on them. I think I got 36s. I could be wrong. I'll double check and annotate later if I'm wrong. I got 36s. I usually wear a 32. I wear a 34 in the Speed and Strength Rust and Redemption jeans, and I got that because they started slimming down towards the ankles. So like in the quads and the knees, they were really slim, so you had to like size up just to get your legs through. So I figured that was the same with this and with most motorcycle pants. So I got a 36 because I got a little bit fatter, and I wanted some room. So what happened is I got it, and 36 was huge. 36 was huge on the waist, and my legs fit fine. But they had these adjustable straps, so I made them about 3/4 as tight as I could. So like I still got a quarter left of strap to go if I needed, and they fit great. They fit great. I'm not wearing a belt right now because I wanted to test it without a belt. So far, so good. But they do have belt loops, so if you are losing weight or whatever it is and they start getting loose, you can put some belt loops on. I'm looking into suspenders. Maybe suspenders is a better idea just because suspenders will keep your pants up, and that's something I'm used to as a firefighter, is that you need to keep your pants up, not necessarily around your waist. So I'm going to look into some suspenders. I don't know if there's any that are designed for these pair of pants specifically, and I'm in a bad spot. I'm paying too much attention to this. There you go. Better spot. Lane position 3. I got an escape route to the right. All right. In this guy's blind spot though. So I'm gonna look into suspenders. The padding, it goes down quite a bit. It's not just like a normal knee pad. It's almost like a knee pad and upper shin pad, which is great because it basically connects with my boot. So my boot keeps it in place, and everything was working out great. Good airflow. I can tell right now that I'm feeling nice and cool. In my jeans, I'd be sweating already, and I'm super excited about that. So, REAX. Now, I did some research on them. I did some research on this stuff, and I'm like, man, I'm like watching a cycle gear video, and then I go to their website, it's like the same dude. What the heck is this all about? It's like the same dude doing the review on cycle gear, but it's the same dude in the promo footage and everything for the company. And I looked it up even more. I guess the parent company that owns REVZILLA and Cycle Gear made this stuff. So this is Cycle Gear / REVZILLA / parent company moto gear. Now I'm gonna go over all the other details like the Velcro straps and all this other stuff, wear the armor and all that stuff later in a review. And I should have said this at the beginning. I did not get paid to make this review. I bought this stuff. I literally bought this stuff myself, straight from REVZILLA. You could buy it from anywhere you want. But yeah, they make this stuff. So I was really concerned that it's gonna be low quality because it's relatively inexpensive. But so far, I'm really impressed by it. I looked up where all the abrasion resistance stuff, all the Cordura, the reinforcements, and I see it's all in the major impact zones, and all the mesh is in the area where you're not going to impact. You're not going to slide, you know, belly first. So all this top part where the air is going to flow through is not going to be hit. You're going to slide on the sides, and that's where a lot of this stuff is. And there's stretch panels, which is great. I was really concerned about the stretch panels in the crotch because while I'm riding this, the FTR with the pants, first thing in the morning when I go for a ride, I can get on the bike, no problem. But when I start sweating, it just, for some reason, it starts getting tighter and tighter. I don't get it. I don't understand physics and stuffs. Is it physics? It's science. Science and stuffs. I don't get it. So it's really hard to kind of get on and off the FTR because it's such a high seat height for me. I need to fix that. So I wanted to get something that, first of all, wouldn't rip in the crotch like my other ones did and had a stretch panel. So these are like stretchy, which is great. I can get on and off this thing easily. I feel comfortable on the bike. I got airflow. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. One thing that I will mention real quick on the jacket is they have this like turtleneck collar, like this collar thing, which is great because now I'm not getting sunburned on the back of my neck. But when I tilt my head back a little bit, my Cardo Pack Talk battery, the slim, right there, I don't want to do that too much because there's a hazard right there. It touches that, so I could definitely feel like the back of my jacket with my head. So it's a little weird, something I gotta get used to. What else? Oh, there's no back pocket for your wallet and stuff in the pants. At least I couldn't find it while I was trying to put my wallet in, so maybe there is. I don't know. I'll annotate it if there is. If there's no annotation, that means there's not. Which I like to have because if I look down here, the mesh is all right here. So if I have my wallet there, it's gonna block some of the airflow. And then on top of that, I like having my wallet in my back pocket because I like to put a bunch of stuff in my pockets, which is not a good idea to do because once again, I talked about in some of my accident videos is that it can create a leverage. So let's say you have your cell phone in your pocket and you crash, that pressure that cell phone can do when it applies to your flesh and bone, it can apply just enough pressure and leverage to that bone to break your bone and stuff and cause more injuries. So you definitely don't want to have stuff in your pockets, but I'm like, man, where am I gonna put my wallet? So, I mean, I can put it in the saddlebag, but I'll forget it. You know, if I go inside the store, I'll forget it. So I have to put it here or in my jacket. But then the more I think about it, that there's no back pocket, is that now there's more when you have an impact, because you get an impact on your buttocks a lot. So there's this abrasion-resistant material on the buttocks. And when you slide, you don't want to be like, you know, offset a little bit, then you start rolling and then all that stuff. I don't know how much that's going to play in a role. A wallet would play in a role for that. But yeah, there's no back pocket, so that's a little weird. There's a zipper on the back of the pant that allows me to attach it to this jacket, so that's great. What else? Other than that, it just feels great. Everything feels wonderful. I like it. I might get some REAX gloves. I like these gloves, but I mean, they get hot in the summertime.
A little crooked using the rock form mount. What do you guys think? These ones or these ones? Brown or white? Kind of like the white.
I'm enjoying it. I'm going to be testing it out. Oh, another thing is on the pants, on the inside, there's this long zipper and Velcro closure. That's the cool thing, is a lot of this stuff is Velcro and zipper closures. So if one kind of like, if this starts going down a little bit, you still got the Velcro closure. So which, it's really nice. But they have it on the pants too. I'll be doing a lot more on the review itself. This is just the first ride review. Makers of REAX, please contact me. I would love to do some more reviews for you. Anyways, so on the inside of the pant leg, on the bottom, there's a zipper and Velcro closure, and you can actually loosen or tighten the bottoms of your pants, the opening of the pants, to either fit over the boot or to go inside the boot. So I'm trying inside the boot right now, and it's working great. It's working really great. I like it. It feels actually more comfortable than the jeans. Now the thing is, with the jeans, it was easy to close. Like this one, since the zipper and the Velcro and all those closures are on the inside, that's where my zipper is for my boot on the inside. So it's like I had to loosen this. This one's loosened. This boot is loosened a little bit with the buckles, and then my left boot is not loosened. So I'm kind of testing things out, and they're about the same. They're about the same. So not a big deal. Not a big deal. It's getting hot out. It's 92 degrees right now. Whew. Oh man, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. But I wanted to talk to you guys about some of this cool stuff. I'll be doing some test riding and some tests and all this other stuff with this gear. My plan is to lose some weight, so maybe this jacket will feel a bit better. I'm gonna take out the PE foam in the back of this jacket, and I'm gonna replace it with real CE armor. The more I look into these things, the more I just need to get the real armor and stuff. So I'm gonna replace that, and then I'm also gonna replace the hip armor with some SASTech armor. That's what it's called or something. I don't know. And I can't wait to do it. But yeah, there's more white, so that's pretty cool. More reflective in the summertime. And it comes with cool colors too. I was about to get green because I love green, but all my logos and stuff and everything's already white. So I was like, I'll just go with white. Plus, it's more visible in the daytime. This is a very bad position where I'm at. I just want to see the dog. I'm glad the Jeep is slowing down. Give me the room. Very good, very good. Normally, I'd be like almost lane splitting, but we're not. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll be seeing you guys pretty soon.